Look at that. Pretty heavy too. So hopefully that means that this thing won't break like that other piece of crap did. Oh, it's got a little bonus here. Came with some sockets. That's pretty cool. Something you wouldn't expect. The good old user manual that us men supposedly never look at. Oh, that's pretty cool. Came with its own little bag. That's it. There it is. So it comes with the impact driver, the sockets, and a little carrying bag. That's pretty cool. This thing was on sale at Lowe's for $119. Alright, let's go plug it in and see if it turns on. Let's see if this impact driver is strong enough to take off a lug nut on a truck. There you go, did it. This thing is pretty cool. You can take the lug nuts off of the wheel on your car or truck. That is my review for this Craftsman impact driver. I think it's a really well made tool. Nice housing here where the hammer mechanism is. It's all metal, which is really good. A lot better than the other one, my other video, the Porter cable. So if you find this thing on sale, I recommend that you buy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.